Oh, my old guy, go on, boy. Go on, mate, go past. Look how amazing that looks. That looks so. Look at this. What a lucky guy I am. Look. Ooh la la. Fine there, mate. You good? Look at my trailer, how much is cutting off there. Take this container off, we're going back to milling again, which is the road that I went on a couple of weeks ago, and this is the same one. So take this container off, put a 20 on, get out of here. Alright, after 3 hours we're getting this take off now. Let's do it. So all I gotta do now is just put the twist locks out and then it should be alright. Yes. Oh well, let's get out of here. Let's stop messing about. Oh my God, I gotta fuel up again. And here we are filling up. Sorry guys, it's getting dark. I'm not gonna get much far or much further. What I'm gonna do is now I'm gonna get a shower and then I'm just gonna drive a little bit further up because I still got like an hour left. So tomorrow morning when I wake up, we're gonna carry on going with all this. So I better go and get a shower and get ready for this pet because I'm looking forward to it. Morning guys, back again. I don't know why I shot that loud so early in the morning, but anyway, we are 34 miles away. I was aiming to get there 9 o'clock, but by the looks of it, if everything goes according to plan, it's going to be a 8:30. But because the roads are so windy and it's so difficult getting around there, it's going to be maybe 9 or maybe 5 to 9 or maybe quarter to 9, depending how much traffic and how much per hour we go through here. But anyway, I'm going to carry on driving, do my job, and when we get to them back roads, I'm going to have to like think twice about doing anything. So anyway, get to the back roads and see what we come up to. So let's go. Good days. This is more single tracks than anything. Come on, mate. It's all right. All I want to do right now is just get a little bit of speed to be able to get up this hill, but at the same time I gotta be careful in case that anything comes down too fast. Go on, baby, you can do it. We got stuck here last time in the other video. This was right at this place here. Oh wow, it's not traffic. That's a relief. That, but a little bit of traffic here. Yeah. Okay. you just can't see sometimes. At least this is only cars. If another truck comes around there, we go, whoa! Oh, God. At least this isn't a straight. At least this isn't a straight. If it wasn't a bend, oof, that was the end of us. Oh God. Is it stuck there or something? Oh, I'm so glad you're off the road, mate. Come on, love, go past and then we can get through. No gonna thank you? Yeah, no problem, no problemo. He's having his tea there. Nice. Walkie talkies. Go on, mate. Go past. Just go, mate. Just put his handbrake there. Gotta go past there, pal. It's alright. Always let the truck driver take the risks. The town was built before even the road was built. I think all the lorries start going out now. Tight corners this, loving it, loving it, loving it, loving it. Woohoo! Alright guys, we have arrived now. Let's get this tipped. I really despise doing that to a trailer. Jackknifing a trailer is the worst thing. I hate it, despise it. Alright, time to make that trailer shorter. So when you have a 20, they're always up to the max what your truck can take. So make sure your suspension is right way up because you're going to slide it back. So lifting this up, put it to the front so you can slide it back. So that's about it. So now we can slide our back suspension right up so it doesn't go too far down. Next what you do is handbrake this bad boy. So we slide it back now. All we gotta do now is just get in there. Happy days. Just tray there. Get this container in there. And to get out of here. Look how amazing that looks. That looks so nice. I need to finish the other side as well. But anyway, get these doors closed and get out of here. I found the end of it. Alright, I'll pull forward. Okay. This is a little bit tighter than what it should be, so I need to deal with that. Alright, pull it forward. Pull my hands out. So the only reason why I pull the hands out, even though I got a 20, is because this thing sometimes you can lose it when it's facing the other way. And if you lose that pin, this goes as well, so there you go. Alright, all I gotta do now is just pull forward a bit. Right, time to go. Woo! All right, come on. He folded both his mirrors to get past. Ah, that's brilliant. That's brilliant. He folded both his mirrors to get past. Oh, what an amazing thing. Oh, what a gentleman. Happy days. Woo! Nice. What a beautiful day, man. A beautiful road. We're only 2 or 3 people driving around. Oh, my old guy, go on, boy. Alright, this is a long hill, so I better pick my speed here so I can come up the hill nice and steady. Yeah. Keep it on the legal. Okay. Go on, boy, go on. It does struggle going up even empty. Imagine when it's loaded. That's why it takes so long to come back here. And you come right to the top and you feel like you're in, ooh, feel like you're in heaven, bro. Can't get any better than this. Oh, what a beautiful country. What a beautiful country. He's used to go past here in that caravan with that caravan at the back. Oh, look at that. Yeah. Oh, what happened to this guy? Come park there, mate. Come park there, lad. To make the day even better, I'm gonna go and get a butty. Hopefully they take cards. That's my only prayer now. Let me go and see what I get. Back in a sec. This is gonna be good. This, I got a feeling about it. So today's my lucky day. Some amazing bloke that was there. He offered to buy me a burger. The only reason being is because I don't have cash. They only take stuff. And the guy, I was gonna drive away, and he said like, "Hey mate, come on, I'll get you one." I'm like, "No man, I can't take it." But like, "Yes, you are, because I already paid for it." And then he got me this. Look at this. What a lucky guy I am. Look. Ooh la la. Let's get out of here, guys. If you ever come down here, you have to stop there. But one thing is for sure, leave a tip. What an amazing place. Wow, what a burger. Oh. Traffic is building up at this time. Why? It's only 10 o'clock. Shouldn't be that much traffic. Should I get out of here when I have the chance? Oh, Jesus, what's over my side? It's fine there, mate. You good? Yeah, there was plenty of space there. Woo! It's one thing that I always say is to be careful, especially when you around corners like this. I can't see nothing there to my left. So look at this guy coming past there. Look at all of them. Look at how close I am to them henge. I don't know if it's a wall on the other side. I don't think so. But you gotta be careful when you're turning corners like this. Woo! Look at this one. I cannot see there to my right, all the way to the other side. So I better just take it slow and see what comes around. Look at my trailer, how much is cutting off there. This is the reason why you have to take it steady, no matter how long you've been driving. Some of the drivers be like, oh, just go for it. Nah. Think about your safety and the other road users as well. Think about more about the other road users. They got families. If something happens, wow, beautiful, beautiful country. Oh, lads, wow. I was going pretty fast there. Okay, drop this trailer and then I need to find out what is going on afterwards. So let's go and drop this first.